GPT. Example of funded brokers or funded account providers.
Where are you doing this presentation?
Bookmap.
Oh, okay.
So, all right. Real quick run through. Thank you for your help on this, everybody. So I'm going to do funded trader pros and cons. I'm breaking it down by sim evaluation, funded, quote unquote, online poker, live, quote unquote, proprietary. Pros are instant access to a platform, data, sim, and eval accounts. Uses a bridge between sim and life by putting a little sim and live by putting a little skin in the game. Can use earnings to fund a retail account. Can you know what? I'm going to turn earnings into winnings. Can use winnings to fund a retail account because it's gambling. Get quick access to varying amounts of buying power for a monthly cost. Get support from staff and community because most of them do offer that. Less emotional damage than trading a live account due to less financial risk. For cons, I have rules similar to trading for a proprietary. In the instance of Top Step Live, you are trading for a proprietary. Can't trade live and funded accounts at the same time. So if you go live, you can no longer be a funded trader. Will you all hold on, that's the same thing. Okay, funding insecurity. No guarantee for funding in the future. So, and then an example, I put fast track trading closed down. No controls against the resetting of evaluation accounts, and rule violations mean you lose your earnings. Known examples: account goes stale. This is Dwayne's example. P&L loss, which is the X example from that one guy, and then additional verification items needed, which is my example.
Hey, Thor, one second. For Google, you're showing narrow, but if you look on the 2 days, it looks like it should be wide.
Oh, wrong button. Let me turn my debug on. Nope. No, we're definitely narrow. So we're without pre-market data. Today is CPR. We're using without settings, and our CPR measurement is $3.82. Yesterday's CPR was with pre-market data, not without. So you're probably looking at without to without, and it's not. Yesterday it was with. Today it's without. So
Right.
so
2.5, 4.5 cents. Well, $4.50.
I
I'm sure.
don't know. I don't
I'm
know.
looking, but I still haven't used your new setup. So,
Yeah,
but if
I mean
but if I'm
this
looking,
is how it's measuring without, and this is how it's measuring with. So I'd have to get a calculator out and sit down and look through different charts and actually manually compare those if yours aren't getting the same. But so far they've been. I went through them for 2 days in a row and they were hitting it perfect every time. So I don't know why it would be hard to believe it's changed now, but just keep an eye out if you can see a direct example of that happening. Let me know. And then I did post
this,
the new code as well if you want to update and check it.
yeah,
But
yeah, I saw it.
I'm sorry to go, but I have to run. I have a 9 o'clock or 9:30. I gotta go to because they're gonna wait on me for a sound check. So I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Thank you, Thor.
Ding ding ding. Have fun
Thanks,
trading.
Thor. And we're off.
just me, or am I just not seeing any kind of a setup in NQ this morning?
It's being funky.
Well, it's got a bunch of daily levels right here where it's at and just overhead. So
Yeah, it seems like it's wanting to go to those daily levels, huh?
I would bet just right over 850 is probably an order block. It looks like one.
Yeah, there's a big fair value gap up there, actually.
Yeah. So it may squeeze to like 900. But there's an order block right above there too.
I see.
But
That
yeah,
makes
there's
sense.
there's a bunch of daily levels right here that it's sticking around with.
Just kind of opened right in the middle.
It did.
Yeah, everything's kind of, I don't know. I was watching AMD here at R3, but it doesn't look like it's 140 would be a better spot. If Apple can get up to 230, I might be interested. But yeah, I think we need to see what happens when it fills this order block first. Looks like ES is at an order block right here too, just above it. But it's over its daily levels. Yeah, R3's in a good spot though for NQ.
I took Tesla at R3.
Nice.
I don't know. It kind of faked me out. I tried it twice, so if it stops me out again, I'm gonna be hanging out a little bit.
Wonder if we're just waiting on the news that's coming out in a little bit.
At 10 or something.
Well, I saw some that, and I saw some coming out at 9:45.
Oh, okay.
There's the global service PMI and global manufacturing PMI and global composite PMI. I don't know. They're rated as 2s and 3s for impact, so. But then, yeah, at 10 we have Michigan consumer. I may just sit out and wait till after 10 and see. NQ's fading from that order block now.
Yeah.
Wonder where it's going, Lauren. Maybe this order block down to 700, or there's a bunch of big orders.
Yeah.
Probably.
Exactly. That's what I'm thinking. I was short buys at the open, but then I actually had got in, but I got stopped out for 1 hour.
Hey, Lauren,
Yes.
there's a huge order at 687, 680 area.
order for going to R3.
Are you looking at instrument or without, Lauren?
I was on without. I'm on without, actually.
Today is
I bought,
without.
I bought the new Fair Value Gap. We got the order block on the 5-minute and then a new order block or new Fair Value Gap 817. I'm in there.
Okay, you got along there. Okay, that's a good one.
I'm holding for 900. I like to get 900. Seems like a logical target. Basically, oh, yesterday's high is right there. I'm gonna pull it up to yesterday's high.
Yesterday's
906.
high.
A tick under yesterday's high. Yesterday's high, I think, was 907. I'm 906.75.
906, yep.
And they're gonna drive it higher, drive it as high as possible before the news.
Yeah.
What?
Isn't that funny how it's coming right up to R3 right before the news? NQ isn't quite responding as much as he is.
Nathan, did you trade Mister yesterday?
No, I did not.
I wonder what that looked like on Spot Gamma.
MSTR?
Yeah.
I know it's been on a bunch of watch lists and stuff, but I've never looked at it. I thought it was MasterCard at first. I don't know why I was thinking that, but
That drop yesterday had to be all option order flow.
well, like if Apple can break over 230 and hold, it might gamma squeeze because all the options levels are really close on it, and 230's been banging its head all week against it. Look at the spread on ES is really widening now. It looks like it's getting ready to clear. Yeah, now it cleared. Let's see what happens.
There's a heavy order on the top side for the ES 6000 short. It's R3 pretty much.
Hey, Lauren, did you say there was a fair value gap at 817 on the 5-minute?
Yes. 818.
I am not, and that's the price, not the time, right?
That's the price, yes.
I'm not seeing that at all.
It's a weird one because it's probably on the 3 because I don't see it on the. I mean, it's showing on this drive up candle at 940. It's
Are you-
strange though.
Are you seeing it on the 1 minute? Because I'm seeing it on the 1, but not the
Yeah,
5.
yeah, it's on a smaller time frame because it's showing it inside my larger time frames. Nvidia's starting to. Nvidia found some buyers, I guess. Here we go. Well, that seems like that was the sweep because we swept above all the pre-market, knocked into an order block that was up there at 867. And hopefully we'll go down to the bottom of the pre-market now. We've got our sweep. A low opening price now. Nice. Very nice. Got a fair value gap now. Bearish fair value gap. some buyers of VWAP, but I don't think they're going to be able to hold it. Come on down, baby.
I guess all eyes are on that big order at S3, isn't it?
It's at S3? 20,700? Or what?
Yeah, just under that. It looks like 687.
Okay. Oh yeah, my WIS settings are slightly different than RTH.
Yeah, because that's where when it bought up the bottom yesterday, that big fair value gap all the way from 500 to about 700, and then
Yeah.
those next the rest of the day held that level. So there's probably some buy orders still left down there that didn't get filled.
Stupid VWAP. Ooh, Mister's selling off. So it just backed into the fair value gap that opened up. At 824.
ES has got some bracket orders around 6,750 to 6,000. Oh, sorry. See what happens on the next test.
Huh.
Squeeze to 25 with the news.
I don't know. You got news at 4 minutes, huh?
man.
Turn back around.
nice.
Now it's going up.
It's a nice doji on ES. Well, not enough volume, I guess. Dying off while we're getting close to the news.
Yep. I'm gonna wait till after the news. I've been stopped out twice now. Looking so good both times, but yeah, market's doing some funny stuff.
User rejecting R3. It's not the right one, but it's still rejecting. SPY's trying to. Or hold over. R6 from yesterday. 1 minute.
1 minuto.
So exciting.
Here's the news. Good, bad, we don't know. It's just the news.
What news is that, Laura?
I don't know what the news is, but we have news right now. Let's take a look. University, Michigan Sediment. I don't know what that means.
Michigan PMI. I was listening to BBT. I was hoping Peter would come on there and
explain it.
Give the news, but
came a little low.
Yeah, I don't know if it's doing much of anything.
Will this take us up to the 900 orders? Maybe. Maybe not.
Resistance building over the top on ES. NQ looks clear though to 950.
950, huh? So 950 would be above the 11.6 candle high. 935. If it gets up there, it'll fill the fair value gap on the daily. Been sitting there. You keep going into it. Keep driving slightly higher into it and then pulling away. But 20,935.75. A lot of liquidity above that. A lot of liquidity still left in this fair value gap too.
ES looks like it might be trying to sell ahead of this iceberg, but NQ looks like it's buying. It's going to pull it up. Yeah, I think NQ.
Got divergence.
Oh.
Diverge, baby, diverge. Nvidia looks like it wants to go up. It's got all kinds of wicks on the bottom of the candles. There's nothing to go. It's good, buggers. It's good.
Oh, I was so tempted to go short right there. I don't know. Did I miss it? I didn't take it because I didn't like how NQ was still
You're gonna
banging
take
it to this level.
MES short?
Yeah, I was going to, but I didn't like what NQ was doing. But now I'm wondering if I don't know. Nope.
Yoink. Psych. Thought we were going up, huh?
Aggravated myself now.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Dang it.
I'm in a short on Microsoft off of R3 there. I don't know if anybody
nice.
else was watching that.
I know I was watching it earlier, but I kind of took it off my watch list. No reason why, but yeah, I had that fair value gap like right there above 416, and R3 was right there underneath it.
Right back to VWAP, huh? You bastards.
You bastard.
You bastards. I am short, though. Weird, though. Weird price action. Should be selling off, but I don't know what's going on.
ES is testing this level, 950, and NQ's trying to hold its trend.
But come on, NQ, you could do it. Who cares if there's a cobra in your mouth? You don't give a shit. Oh, keeps getting buyers at VWAP. Stopped out, break even.
Well, Tesla's moving up, and it looks like it's bringing it with it.
Tesla's taking off.
It's got a fair
Golly,
value gap right here.
I never thought it was bullish. I was short Tesla, and I got like a few cents within and then it came back and stopped me out. And then I watched that move from R3 down to VWAP, and dude, it just was like, I could tell it was about to just explode to the top side. I got out of it.
I've been looking at Apple. I'm waiting for it to get up and see what happens around 230, 35, R3 for the month. But I don't know. I don't know with this.
Tesla's going. It's got orders all the way up to 350.
Yeah, it's got that fair value gap right there around 345. So
just
happens.
tiered in. Yeah. We'll see where it goes.
I'd like AMD to get up to 140.
Yeah, AMD, it is bouncing off that R3, but if you look at it, it's just in a super tight range, chopping up and down.
Yeah,
and the RVOL's
so is Apple.
60%. And Apple, like, I don't know, they're just not doing anything right now.
I agree. I was hoping after the news, like some action would happen, and get some up thrust or something, and
When it throws that reverse hammer, though, it threw a second one at 10:03. It was tempting, but like you said, it doesn't seem to have much movement, and I don't like when the R-ball's that low.
just stuck still in kind of the central pivot range on everything, and except for Tesla, that's the only thing that's really moving.
Yeah, I'm wondering if Tesla doesn't.
Fair value gap
yeah, I'm
now,
wondering if Tesla doesn't want to try to go for this 350 order today. because of the way it sold at the open when I took it short off that wick. It seemed like that was just a big liquidity grab so that it could come up here
Now
and get all
liquidity is
these.
being added to ES higher.
I don't know what they're doing.
See what Tesla does in this area.
Yeah, that 345, we'll see what it does there because that's a pretty big order. If it just blows through 345, then
Wanted to throw it out there. Anybody who uses DOS, I was trying to figure out a way to switch like a hotkey to switch between with and without, and I couldn't figure out how to do it in code, so I basically just did like a load chart. So the chart you're on, I just hit one key to switch to with, and then it loads the other chart for without.
Nice.
And it's actually working pretty well. It's a pretty easy hotkey too.
it's AMD.
Tesla's rejecting 345. The market's responding.
AMD's starting to tank.
I'm really aggravated. I didn't take a trade now.
Yeah, I wanted. I saw it too. Head coming.
Dang it. Oh well.
Apple too. Apple was a good. Apple was a
I
good.
know I
trade.
didn't take Apple. I
But
really wanted
the book on Apple was not that great to the downside. Like I didn't see anything.
But it's been all week. It's been between 226 and 230 all week. So I was going with a break over 230 this time to see what happens. And 235, 230, 35 is R3 for the month, and it hasn't tested that this week. So that's what I was kind of waiting for today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
See NVIDIA at S3. See what's going on. Ooh, that's a heavy move down. There's a lot of buying right there. That's a nice V reversal.
Yeah, that's a good example. When I look at the book map, it just looks dark right above it. I don't see much all the way up to 145. It is dropping hard though.
It hit S3 and got a nice response, but it's still selling's still pretty aggressive, but it looks like buying's trying to pick up.
What's that on?
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA.
Tesla's rejecting its 345 area pretty hard.
Yeah.
Now everything's running down with it.
Jeez, AMD. My goodness.
I missed all my trades.
Yeah, I missed that. I missed AMD. I was sitting here looking at it. I'm sitting here looking at SPY too, and I'm just like, there it goes.
I really wanted AMD to get to 140 because I was looking at what happened yesterday, and I was like, well, 39's like right at the bottom of that rejection. I'd like to see what happens. It gets up to the top. And Apple, I just wanted to get a little bit higher.
When I look at the book map though on AMD, it's got really strong orders at 139 and 140.
It did. It's
So
pretty
it's
balanced too. It was
hard to
fairly
short
balanced.
that.
Yeah, it is. You just didn't. Yeah, and then I kind of took my alpha for a little bit, and then it just dropped. And that's kind of what happens. Same with the SPY.
But when you look at it, like where's I mean, in hindsight, of course, the entry at 138.75 seems, somewhere in there. But in that moment, you're looking at the other reverse hammer that just recovered, and it's hard to be like, oh, this is the one that's going to lose.
Yeah, you don't know. I mean, that's kind of the. I mean, that happens, I guess. Like,
And I think for me, on both of them, there were just too many signals the other way. NQ looked like it was trying to buy up. Tesla looked like it was trying to buy up.
Yeah.
And so then, yeah, the book wasn't like the best book to try to take a short.
like Tesla's
then you
book
look
is
at it,
still pretty bullish right now. Like, I don't know what it's gonna do, but and Tesla's kind of in an uptrend. Like, and it already sold off and then bounced. So like, I don't know if Tesla's long, but I mean, I'm not sure.
if I was gonna go, watch Thor's thing. I totally forgot.
You doing that right now?
He's doing it right now. So I'm gonna switch over to that.
Maybe Nvidia can get a bounce, like S4 or something. The lower range or higher range. Never mind.
I think anyone can join it.
Hey, even I tried it. It says the room is locked too. So looks like it's a special invite. Yeah, I don't know, but I tried joining, but it says special like it's locked. I think it's not for everybody. Yep.
Yeah.
I feel like SPY's in an interesting spot right now. If it recovers VWAP or not here. It's in that between VWAP and PDC range. Interesting to look at that last candle and the little volume on it.